Hi everybody.
Hey everybody.
This is a wonderful day.
Yeah, it is.
This is like nature. Appreciate the little things. Appreciate the sunshine. Appreciate the rain. If you don't have water, you don't have sun, you don't have food, you don't have a shelter, you don't have a home, you don't have nothing. You see nothing but darkness. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'm not campfire time. But I always tell people I love my life. Why? Why do I say that? Because I appreciate the little things. I'm grateful for to wake up in the morning. I'm grateful for the sunshine. I'm grateful for the rain. I'm grateful for the breath of life. I'm grateful for the eyesight. This is why I love nature. This is Charlie Marcelin. Enjoy your day. Hold your head high. And please don't give up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.